Blast off! Report the red button on the side. Did you see it? Alright guys, hello. There should be some here around here. I really don't care.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Shh. Oh, there she is. She's stupid. Oh, I forgot that I jumped off of that. But we're starting a Minecraft. I'm starting a Minecraft series.
We are starting a Minecraft series.
Might not be able to hear the chopping of the wood. Might just hear my voice. I know it's really stupid, but I need to choose another one.
I'm the miner.
Not the miner. There's no job.
Yeah, can I be the official?
There's no jobs. We just do whatever we do. Okay, I'm gonna go like jump off the bridge. Fine, but I can't be decorating and designing the house and building it. What just happened? Have you guys seen my Roblox and how to download this the thing we used to record? If you don't, well, if you haven't, go check that out on my channel. Also, like and subscribe, please. I only have like one subscriber and I'm like dumb and stupid, so.
You can subscribe for me.
Subscribe to my sisters, but I'd rather have you all subscribe to me than my sister. Because
I'm trying to kill a skeleton by
I'm watching some right now, and they look commercial, and right now commercial is Barbie. Who's a fan of Barbie? Because I'm not.
I'm not either.
We're gonna try to keep this more of like a kid friendly, but if it like, I'm gonna be recording like Sims 4 and everything. So like, my Sims 4, you probably don't want kids to go on that because it's probably not going to be kid friendly. Because
Wait for me.
called teleportation.
No, it's called Wait for Me. Right.
So I wouldn't go and watch that. Have you guys ever watched Stuff in the Middle? If you have, go down in the comments and say yes or no, whatever. I'm scared of a witch. Like, I hate the witches in here. Ooh, who likes to cheat in this? My sister does. She cheats all the time. That's why
I deleted all my cheating words,
so she deleted all of her world, and she cannot cheat in this one. She does. She is Doctor playing the game. I said, who's behind me? Leave me alone, stalker. Oh, follow me on like Instagram and Snapchat and everything. I won't do it until I get more subscribers. But if you're over,
I didn't talk a little bit
if you're over, let me see, what is the age? I'm gonna have a certain age if you're over.
If you're over,
well, for her, she's like so young. She's like a baby. For me, I'm
only
like
9 years old.
Don't share age. Don't tell anyone. Stalkers.
I'm not a stalker.
Alright, this is kind of boring. Let's do something fun. Let's go and hunt zombies. Whatever to do.
Let's just find a home area for.
Get back here. What the fuck? What did you do?
You didn't put player versus play on.
Shit. Well, guys, we're back. I don't even know if she wants. I think I fixed the problem. Where the fuck did she go? Sorry for my language, but deal with the people. I don't care what you think. What should we all be called? Like, I don't know what she could be called, but
I don't know what that should. Link down in
who?
the
Oh,
comments
right.
below.
If you've never watched the fun, like the crew, who are like funny and gold and like all of that, do it because she's amazing.
And I have the backpack.
Oh yeah, my sister has the crew backpack. So they're like, I love their Minecraft. Their Roblox. They're so cool.
You
I
get the
love that.
Blacksburg thing.
Oh yeah, guys, I have like one video on Roblox, but it's kind of dorky. Like it's kind of not. I have to teleport. I don't know where she is. There we go. Teleport. Go. Go crazy. We're at a Raven fan. Oh, you guys can friend us. There's a beach.
Look, now I came out.
There's default game personal. Yeah, they're both survival. What is this? Personal game? Default. I don't know, but operator bonus chest infinity. So
But it's almost about nighttime.
so that's when it actually comes fun. I don't care about that. I don't care. We're first person. Okay, first person is fine. Do you guys want to see what I look like? Third person, third person.
She's a she has she's for Alex.
Hi guys. Hi. I'm so ugly in this game, but who cares?
Going up the hill.
Wait, did I just let that? Because I need to change that back. I can't. Third person, first person. Hi, hide hand. Hide a paper Joel. Annoying. Somebody smells good at my house. I don't know. Require touch. Default settings.
Sorry if I haven't talked
Keyboard and
to you
mouse.
guys a little bit. It's all
Multiplayer. Ooh, I'm annoyed.
I'm going to just kind of mind this pool and try
What
to.
if I change this to survival? I'm not gonna default.
Like
Hard. Hey, what is it? Seriously, they all look like.
player versus player.
I don't see player versus player. What would it be on? Yes, do you guys even see what's on? I'm blind, so like I'm not literally.
You're not blind, but you have a
I'm not blind, but like I can't see things. Like I don't see player versus player. Where would player be versus player? What I would have to have that on or off? What would that be in profile? No. Video. What was that? Be on. Control. No. Keyboard. Multiplayer. Friends. Friend. Oh yeah. I don't care who joins my server, but I do have some rules. You just can't be annoying and annoy me, and if you do, we're not friends. In-game player.
I have to create
I don't think it's on this.
no.
Guys, like, do you see it, or is it just me? Because I don't see it anywhere. Audio, I don't think it's gonna be an audio. Player game. Oh, sorry guys. Alright, well guys, we're back. We couldn't figure out what the problem was. Well, I guess I can't kill her at every single end of the episode, but
You're doing the same thing as
no, I don't know
Aaron from Afmail.
who's asked now. I don't listen to them, so no offense if you're watching my video, even though you're probably not. I don't watch certain YouTubers for certain reasons.
Because they think all of them are fake.
Yes, some of them are fake, and
No, they're not.
yes, I'm not fake. I don't tell lies because like YouTube is just like fake. How you record, like you have a set. There's like camera. I don't know. I just there's a lot of problems. I don't have the charger. Oh yeah, we're not. We're weird. I'm weird.
We have 5 more minutes.
Shit, you have 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
You've been recording for 10 minutes already. I stop mine sometimes. But guys, I think we're gonna end it here.
Hey, wait for me.
Guys, I actually think we're gonna. Shit, what's around me? Actually, cave. I'm going down the cave.
Don't go
I am stupid, so this is why I go down the cave. Just don't jump anything out on me because I get scared really easily. No, I don't, but who watching the Michael Myers movie? I did. Iron! Hey guys, I think we're gonna end it here, even though this was a really boring episode. But bye! Thing before you guys leave, like, subscribe, and I hope you like this video. Be back on my next episode of Minecraft episode 2. We haven't sure what we're gonna do with this yet, but
We still have to find a house.
we still have to find a place for our house, and What should we build your house out of? Tell us in the